Hi guys. So today's viewing we are going to do it together because I'm at home, it's at home. So yeah, this is our number fourth viewing. As much as we liked the other, two, at least the one I went to, I liked it, but it didn't work. So we're going for more and hopefully we find something that we like this time around. I mean, this one is like close to where we live right now and we kind of like it, we want it, hopefully it works. Let's go and take a look. Hello. How are you? Good.
Oh, mine.
Hello.
Yep.
So yeah, living room, dining room area in here. Okay. So you can have a look. You've got all the white goods there as well. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to touch anything because people are still here. That's the oven. That's the microwave, I think. Yeah. Okay.
Some extra.
Yeah.
Having seen how spending time together has changed their relationship, Sarah wants the Muslim mum to think seriously about a dog walking business.
Organize tomorrow to do dog walking.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there. And what's this here? What is in here?
Oh, you can have a look. It's just like
Okay.
storage.
Storage. Oh, that's nice. Enough space to keep stuff. And that's the room.
Yeah, so you've got cupboard wardrobe space in there as well. You can
Open it.
it.
Yeah. Yeah. And then look at and stuff. Okay.
So when is it?
Cool.
Beginning of June, I think the 9th of June.
And the view.
Okay.
The view is nice.
Yeah, it is.
And is it already?
And it has a garden.
Yeah, so it has a little plot there. So
I hope nobody has booked it already.
so I don't know how many people have applied. I don't deal with that side of it, but no one's got it yet. So yeah, still have time.
We need to. It's a nice
Apply.
house.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll send you a form and then you can fill it
Yeah.
out, send it back to us.
Yeah, we need to do it as soon as possible because. And what is required of us once? Now, for me personally, I liked it. I don't know about you.
It's nice. I like it.
Yeah.
So if you're accepted, then they'll go into referencing, which is just like the usual stuff, documents like passport, income, stuff like that. But that will be later on. They'll guide you through that as well.
Ah, okay. Okay, that is okay. Okay.
So how fast can we do it?
So once you fill out the form, which I'll send to you, as soon as we get it back, we'll send it to them, and then it's just up to them really to make a decision.
Okay.
And then yeah, they'll be in touch as soon as they make contact.
Okay. Thank you. It's a really beautiful house.
Probably need to finish the.
Other phone battery is there. Would have. Nice. Nice. The view from the room.
Yes, yes. Because I don't want to get.
There's a lot of people cycling with beer packs around the street.
And the garden outside. Yes. Is it for us to manage? manage it?
Yeah, so it is this here. So and that's obviously down to the previous tenant. So
No problem. Because for me, what I was looking at, I wanted to get some of these pots and the long pots to plant some vegetables for myself.
Oh, I love those flowers. They look so nice. That's going to be our new house, baby. Do you like it? Do you like it? I know you like it. I know you